Hello there. Quite a split in conditions today. Eastern areas have managed to see some sunshine, but it's remained persistently cloudy in the west, and that theme is generally going to continue into this evening. A lot of clouds still here in the west, with continuing outbreaks of generally light rain and drizzle in places. Areas to the east should manage to stay a touch drier overnight, and they may see a few clearer spells overall. But generally, with all the clouds and quite brisk breeze in place as well, it's certainly going to be a fairly mild night. Our towns and cities certainly holding up in double-digit figures as we start off Sunday morning. While winds, though, are beginning to shift round, rather than the westerly that we've seen today, they're going to come in more from a northerly direction, and they'll start pushing all that cloud and its outbreaks of rain ever so steadily southwards as we head throughout the day. So particularly turning wet and damp through the central belt, those outbreaks continuing for southern regions as well. Meanwhile, the sunshine should start to break through for northern counties, and it will turn a bit brighter here, still with the odd shower around in places. That wind coming in from the north, though, it's quite a fresh direction and is still going to be on the strong side in general, so it will still feel relatively cool if you're exposed to that wind. Temperatures around 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. The wind particularly strengthening through the North Channel as we head into the evening. Gusts of around 40–45 miles an hour are possible as that rain continues to clear its way southwards, and those clearer spells eventually arriving for Dumfries and Galloway and the Scottish borders. This change in wind direction is all because high pressure is building in from the Azores, and those isobars shifting in direction to allow that wind to start coming in from a northerly feed. And so into the start of next week, that will start to provide more cloud around northern coastal regions, and further outbreaks of rain steadily pushing their way in from the northwest. Inland areas starting Monday on a relatively fine note with a decent amount of sunshine. The cloud will tend to bubble up, and so too will a scattering of showers, and they could turn on the heavy side as we head into the afternoon. Where we do see that sunshine poking through, though, temperatures just managing to climb up a little bit more, around 20 degrees Celsius possible through the central belts come the afternoon. But we still hold on to a fairly brisk breeze overall, so it is going to feel on the rather cool side when you're stepping out in that. Do stay up to date for all the latest updates, of course, and we'll have plenty more on the YouTube channel here tomorrow. And I'll see you again then. Bye-bye.